You are welcome to today's lesson. I believe you remember our previous lesson. In our previous lesson, we were to identify and correct errors in skip counting forward by fives. Okay, but this time we are going to do by 10. So we are going to identify and correct errors and omissions in skip counting forward by 10. Okay, so this one is 10. And you know, skip counting forward in tens, it means we are adding 10. Very good. So we are going to identify and correct the errors and omissions in the following skip counting forward by tens. Now, this is the numbers we've been given. We have 10, 20, 40, 50, 61, and 70. We have to correct the skip count. Okay, so we have 10. So you write correct skip count. Then we have 10. In skip counting in tens, we add 10, making 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, and 70. It ended at 70, so we end there. Now, there are errors and omissions in the ones we were given. So we have to compare and find the errors and omissions. Now, error, let's look at the error. Which number was written wrongly? It has been written, but it is wrong. So when you look here, you realize that this is 61, and it's supposed to be what? 60. So we have what? 61 was written instead of 60. Very good. So this is the error. Here is the error. It's supposed to be what? 60. Now what is the omission? So we have to go and look for the omitted number. The number that has not been written at all in the numbers that we were given. It was skipped. It was not written. Okay, so let's look at it. We have 10 here. We have 20. We have 30 here. Do we have 30 here? No. But we have 40. So it means 30 was skipped or 30 was not written. And 30 is the omitted number. Are we clear? Okay, let's do the second example. In the second example, we have 10, 30, 44, 50, 60, and 70. So we correct the skip count. We have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, and 70. Because it ended at 70. Good. So let's see the error here. Now 10. This is 44 and it's supposed to be 40. So you write 44 was written instead of 40. Very good. Now let's see the omission. Which number was not written at all? Okay, so we have 10 here. We have 20 here. Do we have 20? No. But we have 30. So it means 20 was skipped to 30. And so 20 is the omitted number. This is how to do skip count. This is how to identify and correct errors and omissions. The errors are the ones that has been written but they are wrong. And the omissions are the ones that were not written. They were skipped. So you are going to do an exercise on it for me. Snap it nicely and send it to my WhatsApp line. Enjoy the lesson. Bye.